Maintenance-free waterfront villa, this adorable move-in ready, fully furnished condominium can be yours today. 2-bedroom/2-bathroom split floor plan features spacious and a brightly open living room, an eat-in kitchen with utilities included, and Florida room with a backyard view of the pond. Tile and carpeting throughout the home. Enjoy the clubhouse amenities, jacuzzi, and heated pool. Enjoy golfing as it is located in the Heather Walk community. Minutes from Buccaneer Bay Water Park, Weeki Wachee Springs, and Pine Island. Close to shopping, good restaurants, and entertainment. Come make this beautiful home yours today. New roof, 2017.